Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Air Command, Air Marshal Dilip Kumar Patnaik, AVSM, VM, briefed media persons today at Upper Shillong regarding the attractive recruitment scheme of Indian youths to serve in the armed forces through the Agnipath scheme, which was approved by the Union Cabinet recently. The AOC stated that the scheme, which has been designed to enable a youthful profile of the armed forces, will benefit at 3 levels. Explaining the statement, he added that the youth, along with the organization and the nation, will benefit from the scheme as the country will have well-disciplined youths to take up the responsibility of building the nation. He also cleared doubts and skepticism which the citizens had regarding the scheme and explained in details how the scheme will help the nation in the long run. The nation stands to immensely benefit by infusion of highly inspired youth with deeper understanding of self-discipline, diligence and focus, who would be adequately skilled and will be able to contribute in other sectors, he added. The AOC further urged the youths of the region to take the benefits of the Agnipath scheme and be a part of the new generation of well-trained and motivated citizens of the country.
Between the governments and between the departments, arrangements keep being made for their induction also, based on how good the skills that they have got. As far as the leave goes, there is a slight difference as far as a regular entry as well as to these people is concerned. They will get an annual leave of about 30 days per year and sick leave based on the medical advice. During the period that they are in the service, these Agniveers, they will be entitled for medical facility at service hospital as well as the CSD provisions, the canteen stores department that we give. As far as the release at own request prior to completion of the engagement will not be permissible. However, on exceptional cases, with the approval of the competent authority, like it is there for the present, those who are serving, will also be applicable. Coming to the important point about pay allowances, individuals enrolled under the scheme will get a package of rupees 30,000 per month with a fixed yearly increment. As far as other allowances of risk and hardship, dress and travel allowance will be the same as that is applicable for a regular serving personnel. Out of this 30,000 rupees, each Agniveer is required to contribute 30% of the monthly income as the Agniveer Corpus Fund, and the government will provide interest rate equivalent to the PPF on the amount accumulated on the fund. On the completion of the 4 years, they will receive a Seva Nidhi package. Their contribution and a matching contribution will be from the government. For example, 30% of 30,000 is working out to about 9,000 rupees. They will be contributing 9,000, so their take-home pay will be about 21,000 rupees. The government, on its part, will also pay 9,000 rupees. So every month, 18,000 rupees is going to get credited to his fund. And over the period, because of the increments which I will come to subsequently, this amount is working out to close to 11 lakh rupees at the end of 4 years. For someone who has not wanting to continue or has for some reason not been selected out of those 25%, he will leave after 4 years with a package of close to 11 lakh rupees in his pocket. And what is important is this entire amount is tax free. No tax will be deducted from this. And in case someone is wanting to exit before the end of the engagement on their own request, the Seva Nidhi package that is accumulated is what he will get. None of that money is going away anywhere. He will get whatever the Seva Nidhi he has accumulated. Now coming to more details, in the first year, 30,000, take home is 21,000, contribution by government is 9,000 and government contribution by him is 9,000. In the second year, with increment, his pay goes up to 33,000, his contribution increases to 23,000, his take home increases to 23,100 and his contribution is 9,900. Third year, it is 10,950, and in the 4th year, he will be contributing 12,000. So, by the end of 4th year, his take-home pay will be 28,000. So, from 21,000, it has gone to 28,000. So, basically, he will have contributed close to 5.02 lakhs, and exit will be close to about 10.4 to 11 lakhs.